direction of the message. Hold Ndi Igbo accountable first for the destruction of Ali Igbo in the last 4 years that you have been in prison. Fish out everybody that has contributed to destruction of Ali Igbo. Remember, I said something. The damages that has been done to Ali Igbo is going to take us 50 years to repair. Today in Ali Igbo now, in as much as we want to say but if I know what we do to ourselves internally is more than what anybody outside can do to us. If we are united, if we join our hands together and we say as brothers that we are going to be united, we can easily fight the intruder. But internally, you see this state governor is going this direction. We don't even have a regional plan. Did you notice something? Development in Lagos is overflowing into Ogun State now. Development in Ogun State is overflowing into Oyo State now. They are doing other things that is overflowing into. All of them speak one voice. Forget about whatever they show you in the media, but they speak one voice. But do we have one voice in the southeast? We don't have one voice in the southeast. Anambra is on its own goose chase. Enugu is on its own goose chase. Ebonyi is on its own goose chase. If an Igbo politician is talking about another politician here, you're going to think the person is talking about an enemy. What we need to do as a people first is to have a regional roadmap. If President Tinubu calls for a referendum today as the president, he say, okay, I have listened to you guys. I want to call for a referendum. If you're an Igbo person with your ID card, come out and vote. Igbo should stay. If Southeast should still be in Nigeria or go out. Whichever the result is, I will not interfere with it. I will give it to you people. Do you know what that referendum election is going to fail?
No.
The Igbo elite. And do you know why they are going to frustrate it?
The personal interest.
Personal interest.
Benefits.
And what is that personal interest? Personal interest is because 90% of their asset and wealth is not in Igbo land.
You are an Igbo man, you represent Igbo, and where Igbo presidency. Igbo presidency. Peter be 19 work. For the nation, an Igbo man can never be Nigeria president. No, he had but no, he baby go. Kedo Igbo presidency ambition using Peter B as a case study.
It's overdue. It's long overdue for Igbo presidency. As a people, we have contributed so much to Nigeria, and one of us becoming president, even if it's for a day, is going to give us that sense of belonging. Now, Nigeria is in a situation where we have said there are 3 brothers, but all of them, they were born on the same day. We say this person has led, the other one has led, but this one will not lead. Even though this one is even more competent, there is a psychological warfare, and I don't know how they were able to engineer that, but there's that psychological warfare that has been fought against Igbo people, that an Igbo presidency is like asking for much. It's not supposed to be like that. They make it feel like asking for Igbo presidency is supposed to be like one favor. If you look at people running for president now, you see that Peter Obi is the most qualified.